Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online using an active income method and also a passive income method. So stick around. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining what the difference is between an active income and a passive income. And I'm also going to be going over a few examples that you can get started with so you can start earning money online. But before I get into that, I just wanted to first welcome you to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me talk about the difference between an active income and a passive income. Now, when it comes to an active income, this is where you're trading your time for money. So, the majority of people who are working at a regular 9-to-5 job, they're earning an active income because they're trading their time in order to get paid. Now, I think this is why the majority of people are unhappy with the job that they're at, because it doesn't matter how hard they work, they're still getting paid the same no matter what. Whether you work 8 hours and you put in 110% when it comes to your work ethic, or you're putting in 50%, you're still going to be getting paid by the clock. So this is what I mean when I say you're trading your time for money. Now, when it comes to a passive income, this is where you create something like a product and you can make money from selling that same product over and over and over again. So eventually you're earning a residual income from selling the same product that you created only one time. Now, I'm going to be giving you guys a couple of examples for an active income and also a passive income, but I just want to make it clear, when it comes to earning a passive income, you need to be active. Now, what I mean by that is that you need to be actively promoting whatever product or service that you're using to earn a passive income. So, an example is, let's say that your method of earning a passive income is an online course that you created. You need to actively be promoting that online course on social media, on YouTube, maybe your own website, creating a blog. You need to let people know that your online course exists. Because if nobody knows that your course exists, you're not going to get anybody to enroll into your course. Now, this is what I mean when I say you need to be active when earning a passive income. Now, since I got that out of the way, let me give you guys a few examples of each of these methods. So let me first start off by talking about an active income. So the first one that I want to talk about is freelancing. So freelancing is where you're offering a variety of different services to people and you're getting paid in return. Now, a few examples of freelancing can be video editing, web design, web development, graphic design, even marketing, and a whole bunch of other things. Now, there's a couple of websites that you can use to make money when it comes to freelancing. And these two websites are going to be Fiverr and Upwork. It's pretty simple to get started with these websites. All you have to do is create your profile and let people know what services that you're providing to them. And whenever somebody contacts you and they request your service, you provide it to them and then you get paid. It's pretty straightforward. The second method of earning an active income is by writing articles. So if you're good at writing articles, then you can earn money with this method by writing articles, blog articles for other companies. Now, a great website that you can start earning money by writing articles is called TextBroker. Now, at the time of recording this video, TextBroker is only available in the United States. But the way that this website works is that they pay you based on your writing skills. So the better that you are at writing, the more you get paid. And they pay you per word. So in order to get started with TextBroker, you just go to the website and you sign up to become an author. And if you're wondering how much they pay you, it explains it right there on the website. So you sign up to become an author and then you're going to fill out a writing sample. Once you submit your writing sample to them, it's going to take them a couple of business days for them to respond to you. And that's when they're going to give you a star rating. Their rating goes from anywhere between 2 to 5 stars. Now, the more stars that you have, the more you get paid per word. So once you get your star rating, you can start to write articles for them. So when it comes to choosing an article, they're going to have a list of articles that you can choose from, and once you accept the article, I think you have about 48 hours to complete it. And if you're interested in learning more, you can just go to textbroker.com and check it out for yourself. Now the next website that you can earn money with through an active income is called website testing. So this is where you're going to be going to a certain website and you're going to be completing a set of actions and you're going to be giving your review about that website. Now a website that pays you to test out other websites is called user testing. Now this website pays you $10 per test. Now all you have to do is just go to a website that they direct you to, you complete a set of tasks, and then you have to speak your thoughts out loud. And then you get paid. Now it usually takes about 20 minutes to complete a test, and all you need is a computer with an internet connection, and you need to download their testing software. Before you can start testing out websites through user testing, you do need to complete a sample test. And it's kind of similar to how TextBroker works. You first complete a sample test, and then they're going to get back to you in a couple of days and let you know if you're approved or not. And once you're approved, then you can start testing out other websites. So those are a few examples of earning an active income. So let me move on and talk about earning a passive income. So the first example that I want to mention is by selling stock photos. Stock photos. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so if you like to take professional looking pictures, then you can earn money by selling stock photos. So I want you guys to keep this in mind. If you've ever done a Google image search of anything before, then most likely you've seen that picture you were looking for with a watermark over that. And if you ever wanted to use that watermark or that picture without the watermark, you would have to pay for the rights to use that photo. Now, you can make money by selling people the rights to use your photo. And a great website that allows you to do this is called Shutterstock. So let's say that you take a picture of the ocean and a lot of people are willing, they want to use your photo and they want to use it without the watermark. In order for them to do that, they would have to pay for the rights to use your photo, and then you would make a royalty commission. So in order to get started by selling stock photos, you just go to shutterstock.com and then you sign up to become a contributor. And then you upload your images, and whenever somebody wants to buy the rights for your photo, then you make money. Now the good thing about Shutterstock is that it's not only limited to stock photos. You can upload stock footage, vector art, and even music. Now if anybody wanted to use any of your content, they would have to pay for the rights to use it. And then that's when you make royalties. So the second method is by selling online courses. So this is what I mentioned earlier. So if you have a particular skill or a certain knowledge in an area, and you know people would be willing to pay money to learn that skill or have that knowledge, then you can make a good amount of money by selling an online course. Now a website that allows you to host an online course is called Teachable. So the way you would go about doing this is first record your online course. So this is going to be video based. So you're going to record your course, and then you're going to go to teachable.com, and then you're going to sign up to become a teacher. Once you do that, you're going to upload your course onto Teachable, and then you're going to set the price that you're going to charge people to enroll into your course. Now most people who sell online courses, they have their course split up into video series, where they're showing somebody how to do something step by step. So if you think about it, if you upload a course onto Teachable, you can sell that same course to multiple people and start earning a residual income. So this is something to consider if you're willing to teach people how to do something. So the last method that I wanted to talk about is affiliate marketing. Now this is a great way to get started with making money online, because you don't need to have your own product to sell in order to start earning money online. And if you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that's coded to you. And whenever somebody clicks on your link and they buy that product, then you earn a commission. Now there's a lot that goes into affiliate marketing such as creating a landing page, creating an email list, setting up an autoresponder. And I discussed that in other videos where I do a step-by-step guide for affiliate marketing. And I'm going to link that in the card somewhere or maybe in the description below. But if you want my personal recommendation when it comes to earning a full-time income online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys got value from it. And if you learned something new, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.